gas and electric utilities, connected operations with Fusion. Imagine a UK energy provider managing a complex network of assets across generation, transmission, and distribution, substations, grid performance, field teams responding to faults and outages in real time. With Qlik Cloud, data from across the operation can be brought together. Network performance, outage tracking, asset health and maintenance schedules, customer impact and response times, regulatory and ESG reporting. But the real challenge is making that insight accessible. Operations teams, field engineers, control rooms, regulators and external partners. Fusion adds a branded portal layer to Qlik, a single place to access live network status, incident dashboards and performance metrics, securely shared with the right people both inside and outside the organisation. Clear visibility, faster response, better informed decisions when it matters most. If you want to find out more, contact our team or your Qlik partner today.